Partition of Palestine and 7 months of deliberation by the United Nations and 2,000 years of political hopelessness for the Jews.
We have before us the opportunity to forge for ourselves and for future generations a new world order.
We must recreate the European family in a regional structure called, it may be, the United States of Europe.
Nature of the Beast with Rabbi Yitzhak Surya.